Global College Associate, Global School of Science, Baneshwar, Kathmandu, an exclusive center of +2 science.
Just when the caterpillar thought her life was over, she began to fly. Good morning to all dignitaries, guests, delegates, teachers, staffs, my fellow friends, and our beloved juniors. Today, on the 19th of December 2021 and 4th of Pus 2078, we all Globalians have gathered here in this fascinating day to celebrate the welcome program of third batch of Global School of Science.
Each moment is a new beginning. No matter how your life has been so far, take this program as a grand new beginning of your success.
Hello and namaste to all of you.
I, Shreya Gyamali,
And I, Grishma Dhanganas, are here to make this celebration a memorable one for all you lovely people. We are more than honored to be standing in front of you as the host of today's program.
it gives us an immense pleasure to welcome all these faces with new hopes, great positivity, new passion and spirit on behalf of Global School of Science. As their journey at this college starts, we wish them the best for their upcoming adventures.
Firstly, we would like to thank you all for managing time out of your heavy schedules to be present here. And thank you for all the support you have provided. I'd like to stretch a warm welcome to our chief guest, our dear principal sir, teachers and non-teaching staffs who have helped us to make this ceremony a success.
Keep pushing through the storm. You are going to make it through. New beginnings are waiting just beyond the clouds for you. Dear juniors, this year is going to be a new beginning with new ideas, new energy, excitement, and full of surprises.
Without further dwelling, I take an immense delight in welcoming the chairperson of the program. He is none other than our very own principal, Mr. Ambadatta Joshi. He is also the principal of Global College of Management and director of ProAid Limited. We are honored to have you here with us, sir. Thank you.
Hello, check. Next, we have among us an extremely professional figure, Dr. Tilak Rawal. He is the former governor of Nepal Rashtra Bank, director of ProAid Limited, chairman of Global College of Management, and former member of the Constituent Assembly. Sir, can you please take your seat? Thank you, sir.
And now, to take the seat of special guest, we have CEO of Global College of Management, Managing Director of ProAid Limited, and Chairman of Valley View English School, Dr. Khagendra Prasad Oza. Thank you, sir. May I request you to take your seat?
Thank you, sir. As our distinguished guest, we have Dr. Dronalal Puri, Director of ProAid Limited and Deputy Managing Director of GCM and GSS. We request you to have your respective seats, sir. Thank you, sir.
As the guest for today's program, we have Academic Director of Global School of Science, the international researcher with an European doctorate in teacher education, Dr. Devraj Paneru. We request you to have your seat, sir. Thank you. It's great to have you here. Now, we would like to request the pillar of GSS, executive leader, a dynamic personality, our very own program director, Mr. Gokul Dev Badu, without whom this program would not be successful. Thank you, sir. Please take your respective seat.
Next, we have Finance Director of Global College of Management, Mr. Navaraj Bhandari. Please take your seat, sir. Thank you, sir.
We request Mr. Dharmaraj Oza. We request Mr. Dharmaraj Oza, the Operations Director at Global College of Management, to have his designated seat. Thank you, sir.
Moving forward, we request the Head of Department of Physics, Mr. Khem Raj Deuza, to have his respective seat. Thank you, sir.
Also, may I request the Head of Department of Chemistry, Mr. Joy Prakash Paudel, to take his respective seat. Thank you,
Similarly,
sir.
Similarly, we request the head of Department of Mathematics, Mr. Bimal Pandya, to have his respective seat. Thank you, sir.
Further, we request Mr. Rozan Topol, Head of Department of Biology, to take his respective seat. Thank you, sir.
May I also request all the class teachers and faculties to have their respective seats. Next, we request all the staffs and technical staffs to be seated. Thank you all.
And now we request all the passionate and enthusiastic faces of grade 11 to take their respective seat. Lastly, may I request all my friends from grade 12 to have their seat. Thank you all.
Now we would like to kindly request our chairperson and principal, Mr. Amba Datta Joshi, to honor our guests with bouquets. We also request Ms. Ritu Regmi, Ms. Rekha Ocha, and Ms. Bijaya Panta to honor our guests with khada and badges.
Check, check. A single candle can both defy and define the darkness. Before we start the inauguration ceremony, we would like to request our guests, Dr. Khagendra Prasad Oja, Dr. Dronalal Puri, and our chairperson, Mr. Amba Datta Joshi, to be on the stage to light the candle.
With luminous light, we welcome you all to this Welcome Program 2078 once again. Thank you.
Our flag, our anthem, our country are a source of pride for all of us, but can be objects of forced veneration. Let us proceed further by honoring our nation by singing our national anthem. May I request you all to please stand up, and I'd like to request the technical staff for that.
थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौम भई फैलिएका मेची महाकाली सयौं थुङ्गा फुलका हामी एउटै माला नेपाली सार्वभौम भई फैलिएका मेची महाकाली प्रकृतिका कोटि कोटि सम्पदाको आचल वीरहरूका रगतले स्वतन्त्र भूमि शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहुल जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन् विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Say yes to science and technology. Say yes to innovation.